Hey everybody, Brad here from Nelson Ridge Farm. Today I'm doing a construction debris pickup. It's a neighboring town here, and I've been here several times. I believe this will be my fourth load. Looks like they said concrete or blocks and some wood debris today that I can take to the dump. So dump trailer side hustle continues. And I appreciate y'all watching. I probably won't film much of it. The crew doesn't like to be filmed, but I'll take some stills of before and after, and maybe I'll get something at the dump. So thank y'all. That white barn is the renovation site. Got a couple flags there right now. Metal and blocks. All right, got her all loaded up. Everything including the toilet and the kitchen sink. She's ready to go. Awesome, it's heavy, but not too full. Headed to the landfill. And there's the waste station. Okay, so big line. I didn't get to film any of that. Did great. And here we take turns. Somebody just went out. Now somebody's coming in, then I'll go next. It was 2,300 pounds that I dumped, so just over a ton. It's $54 a ton. And that came out with the surcharges to be $63.10. Pretty high tipping fee. We closed out that debris removal job. You saw me lift all that. That was 2,300 pounds. So that was a free workout today. Appreciate everybody watching. Thanks for tuning in, and give us a subscribe if you will. Thank you.